Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I personally set up a tub for one of my ball pythons. Starting off, I'm just going to go ahead and cleanse these really good with some soap and water, getting up anything that may be on them from use in the past. I am going to be putting a heat pad on these, so I wanted to be sure to elevate the tubs a little bit off the floor to allow for airflow. I'm just using little rubber sticky feet I got off of Amazon. I also put heat tape over the sticky part of the mat. That's because I like to use them for different things when I switch up setups, and I like to be able to easily reuse it. I'm also taping down the probe from the thermostat that I'm using underneath the heat pad. And I am also using that same heat tape to tape down the heat mat to the bend. I'm now going in and putting down my substrate. I use the Recti Chip brand. I'm not sure what size this one was. I believe it's just the normal sizing. I am putting his water dish in here first. I do believe I move it anyway. I just like to play around and see what looks best, and as well as what will work best for what I'm putting in here. All right, you guys, here's a little peek at what it looks like from the outside. Thanks so much for watching.